Hello, my people. How na dey? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where we dey gist Bible matter for pidgin. If na your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. Today gist na very serious one o. Na how Adam and Eve take put us inside the gbege wey we dey so today. And remember, for the last episode, I tell una how Baba God take form man, he blow breeze inside am, he come to life, and how Adam take go dey murmur, Baba God come see am, come carry one woman give am as companion. All this na wetin dey happen inside that beautiful garden of Eden. And today our gist dey cover Genesis chapter 3 from verse 1 to 24 wey be the end. So as I go always recommend, I go say make you go checkmate Bible, make you see wetin Genesis chapter 3 from verse 1 to 24 dey talk about, so that you go really understand and follow up with our gist. So right about now, make we enter today's gist. So inside this beautiful garden of Eden, everywhere good, everything good, food boku, fruits boku, animals they play with each other, everything they go smoothly, everywhere peace there everywhere. You look, you go see lion and goats they play draft, monkey just they jump, they doing things, you not send anybody. So one day, snake come waka pass everybody, passing fellow animals, come go meet Eve for where she sit down the rest. Now so snake call her say, Auntie Eve, I beg, I want to ask you something. Eve so okay, I dey hear you. He say, na true say Papa God tell una say make una no eat that fine fruit wey dey for middle of the garden. Na Eve scratch her head small. Say yes, so Baba God say make we no touch that fruit o. Say any day we touch am, say na die be that o. As serpent hear am, na so he say, which kind talk be that one na? Which kind die? Say nobody dey die anything. Say you see that fruit wey dey so, if you eat am, you go wise like Baba God, your eye go shine, you go know a lot of things, you go get wisdom full everywhere, wisdom go wan wound you. As he talk like that, now Eve scratch her head small again. She look the tree like this, she see how the fruit fine, e dey shine, e be like mango wey dem mix together with agbalumo, and so e take correct reach. Now she say, well, no long thing, say I go take this fruit, I go eat am. So na so she go collect the fruit from the snake, he chop am. And that time Adam no dey around, he go in normal evening strolling wey he dey check all the things as Baba God assign am to do. As he come back, na so she sama am the fruit. Baba collect the fruit too, he no ask question, he chop am. So as dem chop the fruit finish, na so their eye open gbagam. Na there dem realize say they dey naked, shame come dey catch them. They come dey find where to hide. Na so Adam come go look around, gather some kind leaf, join them together wey they go take do like cloth to take cover their body. Time na so Baba God call out Adam, where you dey? Why no dey fit see you? Adam say, Baba God, abeg no vex for me. I hear your voice, fear catch me, I run, I hide because I dey naked. Baba God say, Adam, you say wetin? You say you dey naked? Who tell you say you dey naked? Abi you don chop the fruit wey I say make you no near? Once now Adam point hand, say na the woman wey you give me, na he give me the fruit. As the woman hear am once, now she point her own hand. Say, Baba God, abeg no vex for me, na the serpent, na this snake, na he deceive me. Snake look, he no know who he wan call. As they take dey do all those things, na just like that o. You see that pointing of finger, where this one go point this one, na you do am, this one go say no be me do am. Na from here e start o, from the garden of Eden straight to your WhatsApp family group. Na there e start. As they take dey point finger so, it thing pain Baba God after all the instruction, after all the belief wey he get for where Adam dey, say Adam no go fall in hand. And so Baba God say he go punish them, but still he punish them with love. And so Baba God call the serpent, say, you snake, from today you go dey crawl with your belle. No more shakara for you, you go dey crawl with your belle. He look the woman, he say, you woman, you see childbirth go dey hard for you. E no go dey easy again the way I been want am for you. So you see you Adam, you go work hard before you go fit eat. You go dig the ground go hard for you before you go fit eat. Because this thing wey you do, e really touch me. But even as Baba God dey punish them, finish, na so he still carry clothes, Based on the merciful father wey him be, na so him still carry cloth give them say make dem wear. Na so him come pursue them out of the garden of Eden. Then he come carry one angel put for the center of the garden. They guard the tree of life so that make them for no go still go back go eat the tree of life. He come put one angel there with sword wey dey rotate 360 every day. So na so Adam and Eve take comot for the garden of Eden. And my people, when I see am say disobedience na im cause all this gbege inside the garden of Eden. Even today, it still dey happen. A lot of persons no dey fit obey God instruction, but nothing really dey there no hard, because if you fit dey lis ten to wetin Baba God dey tell you, then you go dey see the 360 for your life, the way your life go dey change, the way beautiful thing go just dey happen for your life. You though you don see am say na disobedience na im bring us where we dey, so wey Adam and Eve commit. So my people, na here we go end today gist. I know say you don learn one or two things from this gist. Abeg, I go also like make you drop your comment for the comment section to tell us, share wetin you learn from this gist today. And abeg, no forget to comment our videos, no forget to like, share with your guys, share with your family and friends. Na beg, I take the beg you. And subscribe if you never subscribe. Follow us on every platform we dey. Bible Gist Naija, na im be the name. This na Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. So till the next episode, God bless you.
You are my peace.